The universe is vast, mostly predictable, until it isn't. For centuries we have gazed upward, mapping the heavens, believing we understood the patterns that govern the cosmos. Yet every so often the universe reminds us how little we truly know. On August 12, 2025, telescopes worldwide detected a faint, fast-moving point of light beyond Neptune. It was subtle at first, almost lost in the endless tapestry of stars, but its movement was unmistakable. It was an interstellar visitor, designated C2025U1. News of its discovery spread rapidly through the global scientific community, igniting curiosity and excitement. At first it seemed routine, just another data point like Oumuamua before it. Astronomers logged the coordinates expecting another icy wanderer from the depths of space. But this object was different, its trajectory was precise, its speed unprecedented. Unlike anything previously observed, it cut through the solar system with unwavering direction. It wasn't tumbling or shedding gas like a comet. There was no glowing tail, no evidence of ice vaporizing in the sun's warmth. It moved with a purpose, as if guided. Its path was straight, almost deliberate, as though it had a destination in mind. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory confirmed the anomaly, and astronomers everywhere scrambled for telescope time. The world's most powerful observatories turned their gaze to this mysterious traveler. Interstellar objects are rare, time capsules from other solar systems. Each one offers a glimpse into the unknown, a chance to study material from beyond our sun's reach. We expected a comet or asteroid, but C2025U1 defied all expectations. Its composition, movement, and silence set it apart from anything we'd cataloged. It didn't behave like anything we'd seen. The data was baffling, the object's behavior a puzzle that deepened with every observation. Its path was a riddle, its presence unsettling. The more we learned, the less we understood, and the questions only multiplied. The thrill of discovery quickly turned to unease. What was this object, and why did it move so differently from anything before? We realized we were staring into the unknown, and perhaps something was staring back. The sense of mystery grew, tinged with a hint of fear. The story of C2025U1 was just beginning, already rewriting the rules of the cosmic game. Scientists prepared for long nights and endless questions. The universe had sent us a riddle wrapped in a mystery. Each new piece of data only deepened the enigma. This was no ordinary visitor. It was something wholly new, a messenger from the dark between the stars. It was a silent enigma, and it demanded our attention. The cosmos had delivered a challenge, and humanity was compelled to answer. What makes C2025U1 so strange? Why has this mysterious visitor captured the attention of astronomers and scientists around the world? First, its speed. Faster than anything ever recorded in our solar system. It raced through space at a velocity that defied our expectations, outpacing even the swiftest comets and asteroids we've ever observed. It entered with energy that can't be explained by the sun's gravity alone. The force propelling it seemed to come from somewhere else, as if it was launched from the depths of interstellar space. Unlike comets and asteroids, it powered through space, seemingly ignoring gravity's gentle pull. Its trajectory was a straight hyperbolic path, not the looping orbits we're used to seeing. Its brightness was another puzzle, not dull like rock, nor glowing like a comet. Instead it shimmered with a steady, almost unnatural light, as if reflecting more than just sunlight. As it neared the sun, it didn't warm up or shed gas. Its gleam stayed constant, almost metallic. No tail, no cloud of vapor, just a persistent mirror-like shine that baffled observers. The surface appeared smooth and reflective, unlike anything battered by eons in space. It looked untouched, as if it had just arrived, unscarred by cosmic debris or radiation. Then came the biggest shock, its path. The object didn't just passively drift, it seemed to have a mind of its own. C2025U1 made subtle course corrections, steering itself with no visible cause. It shifted direction ever so slightly, as if guided by an invisible hand, with no jets or outgassing to explain the movement. No outgassing, no debris, just silent, precise movement. It glided through the void, leaving nothing behind, its path eerily controlled and deliberate. These three anomalies, speed, brightness, and unexplained acceleration, don't fit any known category. Each one alone would be remarkable, but together they form a mystery that challenges everything we know. Each is a curiosity. Together, they're a scientific crisis. Our models break down, the data refuses to fit, leaving experts scratching their heads and questioning long-held assumptions. Are we missing something fundamental in physics, or is this object not a product of nature? Could it be evidence of technology or simply a new kind of cosmic phenomenon? C2025U1 plays by rules we don't understand. It's a riddle, a challenge to our understanding of the universe. It's an outsider and it's rewriting the script. Its presence forces us to reconsider what's possible in our solar system. The universe just got a lot more mysterious. With C2025U1, we're reminded that space still holds secrets waiting to be uncovered. This isn't our first interstellar visitor. In 2017, Oumuamua tumbled through our solar system. Strange, fast, and unexplainable. It showed slight acceleration but no outgassing, leaving scientists baffled. Then came Borisov in 2019. A textbook comet, familiar and comforting. Borisov reinforced our models. Oumuamua broke them. Now, C2025U1 amplifies the weirdness. It's larger, more reflective, and its course corrections are unmistakable. If Oumuamua was a whisper, C2025U1 is a shout. It forces us to consider that not all interstellar objects are natural. The pattern is emerging. Borisov was the rule, Oumuamua the exception, and C2025U1 the paradigm shift. We're no longer dealing with isolated anomalies. There's a new class of objects that defy explanation. C2025U1 elevates the mystery from a footnote to a cosmic headline. The universe is telling us something, and it's time we listened. The game has changed. When faced with a cosmic puzzle, humanity turned to its most powerful detective, the James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of engineering and vision, floating silently in the vastness of space. Its golden segmented mirror was trained on the mysterious visitor, C2025U1, searching for answers hidden in the darkness between the stars. Around the world, hopes soared among astronomers and scientists, all expecting to find a natural explanation for this enigmatic object. But Webb's powerful spectroscopic analysis revealed something unexpected, a nearly flat spectrum, showing no signs of rock, ice, or organic molecules that we usually find in comets or asteroids. The object reflected all wavelengths of light equally, just like a perfectly manufactured surface, as if it had been engineered rather than formed by nature. Even more puzzling, thermal imaging showed a uniform temperature across its entire surface, no hot or cold spots, as if the object somehow managed its own heat, defying what we know about natural bodies in space. There was no dust, no debris, and no outgassing, just a pristine sealed object, untouched by the harsh environment of space. Everything in space gets battered, scarred, and sheds material over time, but this object remained untouched, as if protected by an invisible shield. Webb's findings only deepened the mystery. C2025U1 looked unmistakably artificial, with features that defied natural explanation. It was as if we were staring at a machine, not a rock, a silent sentinel drifting through the cosmos. The most advanced telescope in history had found something it couldn't explain, leaving even the brightest minds at NASA and beyond baffled. The evidence, piece by piece, pointed away from nature and toward something else, something perhaps made, not born. The cosmos had delivered a riddle that only our most advanced technology could even begin to unravel. And as we stared into the unknown, the answer that emerged was as unsettling as it was profound. After Webb's revelations, the flow of information slowed to a trickle. Data was classified, press releases grew vague, and scientists fell silent. Secrecy replaced transparency, an unprecedented move in astronomy, the official reason to verify the data. But the lockdown hinted at something bigger. Global security, not just science. Speculation filled the void. If it was natural, why hide it? The silence suggested the evidence for an artificial origin was overwhelming. Authorities weren't hiding a comet, they were hiding an alien artifact. The world was left to wonder, what are they afraid of? The silence itself became the loudest confession. C2025U1 was too extraordinary for business as usual. Let's say it. C2025U1 is not natural, it's technology. A probe, a ship, an artifact from another civilization. Its controlled flight, metallic sheen, and thermal regulation all point to design. It could be a scout gathering data or a relic from a long-gone race, or perhaps it's watching us. The idea is both thrilling and terrifying. We might be the subject of study by a greater intelligence. Its purpose is unknown, benign, curious, or something else. We're like ants studying a cell phone, unable to grasp its meaning. If true, this is the greatest discovery in history. It would force us to rethink science, religion, and our place in the universe. The whisper of alien hands would become a roar. Humanity would never be the same. If C2025U1 is alien technology, it's engineering beyond our wildest dreams. Its propulsion defies known physics. No rockets, no exhaust, maybe even manipulating space-time. Its materials are pristine, possibly self-repairing, and virtually indestructible. We struggle to build spacecraft that last decades. This could endure for millennia. Its power source is a mystery, fusion, zero-point energy, or something unimaginable. It's a silent lesson in the physics of the future. If it's guided by AI, it's a consciousness far beyond ours. It navigates, observes, and protects itself with intent. This isn't just better technology, it's a new category of existence. C2025U1 is a window into what's possible when intelligence has had eons to evolve. The universe just got a lot bigger. C2025U1 forces us to confront the ultimate question: are we alone? For centuries it was philosophy. Now, it's science. We've searched for signals, sent messages, and waited for an answer. With C2025U1, the answer may have arrived. The paradigm shifts, from searching to being found. If it's a probe, we're the ones being studied. It's a humbling, unifying realization. Our planet becomes just one data point in a cosmic survey. This discovery would ignite a new era of thought and challenge our sense of self. It would force us to see ourselves as Earthlings, not tribes. C2025U1 is a mirror, reflecting our ignorance, curiosity, and hope. The universe invites us to ask better questions. And this is the greatest question of all.